Guys, a while back I created a masterclass review that became really popular on this channel. Since then, I've continued using the platform and taken so many more courses that I want to share with you. Here's the thing, MasterClass is different from every other learning platform I've reviewed. It's not about coding or data science. It's about learning from celebrities and world-class experts in fields you have always been curious about. My name is Daniel, and today I'm giving you my honest, updated take on MasterClass. We'll cover what makes this platform unique, who the instructors are, whether it's actually worth the money, and most importantly, who should buy it and who shouldn't. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start with the basics. MasterClass is an online learning platform where celebrities, industry leaders, and world-renowned experts teach you their craft. We're talking Gordon Ramsay teaching cooking, Serena Williams teaching tennis, Neil Gaiman teaching storytelling, and Martin Scorsese teaching filmmaking. The list goes on. There are over 200 classes from some of the most accomplished people on the planet. Folks, what makes MasterClass different? Every other platform focuses on practical skills or certifications. MasterClass focuses on inspiration, high-level insights, and learning directly from people at the absolute top of their fields. The production quality is insane. These aren't just talking head videos, they are cinematic experiences. Think Netflix documentaries meets educational content. Each instructor's course feels like you're sitting down with them for a private masterclass. Currently, MasterClass offers courses across 11 categories: arts and entertainment, business, community and government, design and style, etc. There's something for everyone, as long as you're not looking for hardcore technical training. Folks, before we go deeper, let me be very clear about who this platform is for. MasterClass is perfect if you're looking for inspiration and big-picture insights. Maybe you want to understand how creative minds think, or you're curious about the philosophy behind success in different fields. This platform gives you that window into genius. It's also great if you're a fan of any of these instructors. Spending 2 to 4 hours with someone you admire, learning their life story and creative process. That's genuinely special. Mates, MasterClass works well for people who enjoy consuming video content. If you love YouTube or Netflix, you'll love this. The classes are entertaining, beautifully shot, and easy to binge. On the other hand, this platform is not for you if you want step-by-step practical training. You won't become a professional chef from Gordon's course or a pro tennis player from Serena's. The platform offers insights and inspiration, not detailed instruction manuals. Folks, it's also not ideal if you need certifications or accredited credentials. MasterClass doesn't offer certificates at all. This is purely about learning for personal growth and enjoyment. Think of MasterClass as your entertainment subscription that also makes you smarter, not as a professional training platform. Friends, let's talk about what you actually get when you subscribe. This is the core of MasterClass. Every course is taught by someone genuinely world-class in their field. Gordon Ramsay has Michelin stars. Serena Williams has 23 Grand Slam titles. Malcolm Gladwell is a best-selling author. These aren't just experts, they're legends. Mates, each class consists of 10 to 25 video lessons, usually 10 to 15 minutes each. The total course length ranges from 2 to 4 hours depending on the topic. The videos are professionally produced with multiple camera angles, high-quality audio, and stunning visuals. Every course comes with a downloadable PDF workbook. These include assignments, exercises, additional reading, and key takeaways from each lesson. They're actually well made and useful for studying after you finish watching. Folks, MasterClass recently added quick lists, curated playlists of specific topics across multiple courses. Want to learn about leadership? There's a playlist pulling leadership lessons from different instructors. It's like YouTube playlists but for education. Some courses offer structured 30-day programs with daily assignments and community interaction. These are more hands-on than regular courses and include feedback from teaching assistants. The MasterClass app is excellent. Friends, you can download lessons and watch offline, or switch to audio-only mode and treat courses like podcasts. I've listened to entire courses while commuting or working out. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now mates, let's get honest about what's great and what's not so great about MasterClass. This is the biggest advantage. You are literally learning from the best in the world. When Serena Williams teaches you tennis, or Neil Gaiman teaches storytelling, you're getting insights that don't exist anywhere else. These courses look and feel like premium documentaries. The cinematography, lighting, editing, everything is top tier. Guys, it makes learning genuinely enjoyable. MasterClass isn't boring educational content, it's entertaining. You can binge courses like Netflix shows, except you're actually learning something valuable. Folks, if you're looking for motivation or creative inspiration, MasterClass delivers. Hearing how successful people think, overcome obstacles, and approach their craft is genuinely inspiring. With 200+ courses across 11 categories, you'll find something interesting. The platform encourages exploration. You might discover passions you didn't know you had. Friends, the app works flawlessly. Download courses, listen in audio-only mode, or watch on multiple devices. The user experience is smooth. Most courses are high-level and theoretical. You'll learn how Gordon thinks about cooking more than exactly how to cook this dish step by step. If you want detailed practical training, other platforms are better. Some instructors spend a lot of time on their life story and philosophy. Guys, that's interesting if you're a fan, but less useful if you want actionable skills. Werner Herzog's course, for example, is mostly abstract inspiration. Not every course is great. Some instructors are better teachers than others. A few courses feel more like promotional content for the celebrity than actual education. Mates, MasterClass doesn't offer any certificates or credentials. This is purely for personal enrichment, not career advancement. Unlike most platforms, there's no free trial. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is similar, but you have to pay upfront first. At $120 to $180 per year, the annual fee can feel steep even though it's actually good value if you use it regularly. Folks, don't expect instructors to answer your questions. The community forums exist but aren't very active. It's mostly a solo learning experience. Guys, let's talk about how MasterClass structures its membership. MasterClass works through annual subscription plans rather than single course purchases. Each plan gives unlimited access to the full library, but they differ in a few key areas: the number of devices you can use at the same time, video quality options, and whether you can download lessons for offline viewing. There isn't a month-to-month payment model. The membership is billed once for the whole year. However, folks, the platform offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can explore the content and decide if it's right for you without real risk. Students can often take advantage of discounts, and MasterClass regularly runs special promotions, including gift options and bundle deals. What really matters is what you get for that membership: unlimited access to more than 200 courses taught by world-class experts in film, writing, business, cooking, music, sports, and many other fields. Instead of paying separately for individual classes, you unlock the entire catalog and can jump between topics whenever you want. Guys, compared with platforms like Skillshare, which focus more on practical creative skills, or Coursera, which emphasizes structured academic learning and certificates, MasterClass sits in a different space. It's less about formal qualifications and more about insight, inspiration, and learning directly from people at the very top of their professions. So the real question isn't just about the subscription model, it's about value. How much is it worth to spend time with people you admire, hearing how they think, create, and approach their craft? Now guys, for the big question, should you actually buy MasterClass? My answer is yes, but only if you understand what you're getting. MasterClass is absolutely worth it if you want inspiration, entertainment, and high-level insights from world-class experts. If you're a fan of any instructors on the platform, spending hours learning from them is an amazing experience. Mates, the value is incredible if you actually use it. At $10 to $22 per month, you're paying less than 2 coffee shop visits for unlimited access to genius-level thinking across dozens of fields. I love that MasterClass broadens your horizons. You might take a cooking class, then get curious about filmmaking, then explore negotiation tactics. It exposes you to topics you'd never normally encounter. The entertainment factor alone makes it worthwhile. Instead of mindlessly watching Netflix, you can watch beautifully produced content that actually makes you smarter and more well-rounded. Folks, MasterClass is also perfect for couples or families. There's enough variety that you'll find courses everyone enjoys together. However, MasterClass is not worth it if you're looking for detailed step-by-step practical training. The courses won't make you an expert. They'll inspire you and teach you high-level concepts, but mastery requires practice and additional resources. It's also not worth it if you need certifications for career advancement. Friends, go with Coursera or LinkedIn Learning for that. And if you are on a tight budget and need immediately applicable skills, platforms like Skillshare or YouTube might be better starting points. But here's my bottom line. For anyone who loves learning, enjoys consuming video content, and wants to understand how truly exceptional people think, MasterClass is one of the best investments you can make. Guys, the platform has genuinely broadened my interests, given me new hobbies, and made me more interesting to talk to. That's worth way more than $120 to me. Alright guys, that's my updated MasterClass review. I've been using this platform for a long time, and it continues to be one of my favorite subscriptions. Remember, MasterClass isn't about becoming an expert overnight. It's about inspiration, broadening your horizons, and learning from the absolute best. If you approach it with the right expectations, you'll love it. Friends, take advantage of this 30-day money-back guarantee. Try a few courses, see if the learning style works for you, then decide if it's worth keeping. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.